is the final. Yes, sir. Emmanuel, hey, thank you. Help me to say a big thank you to my boy. Yes, sir. Emmanuel, let's do thumbnail. Thumbnail. Do another style of thumbnail. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Yes, today I want to use my boy to teach you how to tie round gele. Yes, guys, I have 3 boys in this my house. I have 3 kids. They are all boys. I don't have baby girl. I use what I have. Thank you to my boys. A big thanks to my boys that they said they will give me their head to do gele. Oh, Manuel, thank you. Last time I used Gabriel. Gabriel is our last baby in the house. Emmanuel is our second baby. So, guys, say a big thank you to them because it's not easy to do a model, to tie gele. Manuel, are you ready? Yes, so guys, focus your eye on my hand. You will learn 1 or 2 things. I want to teach you how to tie round. Thank you. Let's get started. Yes, so okay, guys, this gele, you divide it 30-70. 30-70, the shorter side is the 30, the longer side is the 70. So you create like 5 plates or 6 plates. The base, this is what we call the first. This first plate here is what we call the base. Okay, this is the first one. Second, focus your eye. Okay. Emmanuel, thank you. Yes. To get model here, female model here in UK is not easy because they are all busy. Okay, now we achieve. Emmanuel, can you hold this place for me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you know you want to cover the hair at the back, you leave some extra to cover the hair at the back. This place you can do 5, you can do 6. Okay, so now we are going to extend the one we already achieved. Always use your hand to make sure you smooth. Okay, we are going to extend this side. Later we extend the other side. Okay, you use this your hand to protect this place. You use this hand and these 2 fingers to extend it. Make sure you cover the ear. You extend. We are just extending. Okay, by the time you extend it, you remove this your hand, you smooth the one you achieve. You use this hand to protect here again. Make sure you place your hand here. You use this hand to take it 1 more time so that this curve here will look so smooth and neat. Okay, you make sure you cover the ear, your client's ear from the beginning. Okay, so you now tell your client to bring your hand, Emmanuel, to help you to hold this place. Now we are now going to extend the other side. Give me here. Thank you. So if you want to extend it, make sure just use this hand to smooth. Always place this hand here and extend. I hope I'm not covering the camera. Just extend the one we already achieved. Cover the ear. Okay. So what I do, I use this hand to protect here for me to take here again and take it to the back. You cover the ear. Tell your client to bring your hand, Emmanuel. You always direct your customer. Okay. Always direct your customer to. Sorry, let me push this thing forward a little bit. Okay, so that you can see the back. Your head down, please. Your head down. Okay. This is the back. If you have nice hair here, you leave it open. If you have like your hair is rough, you close it. Right now, this is the 30. This is the 30. 30 is the shortest. 70 is the longest. You pick it one after the other. Pick it. Don't just grab everything like this. Your work will look so rough. Pick it one after the other as you lift your hand up. Lift your hand up because the shorter one is coming up. This is the longer one. The longer one, you pick it. The longer one go down. You pick it one after the other. Pick, 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 pick. As you cross it at the back, pick everything. Okay, now you tight it. You drag it because he's a child. I don't want to drag it too much. You drag it like this. You ask your client if it's tight enough. Okay, so this one just treat it like this, like 2 times, so that's to protect what you already achieved. That's okay. Right now, this shorter one you give to your customer to hold it. Okay, remove your hand. Can you hold this place? Okay. This is the front. Remove your hand here. Okay, this is the 70. Hold this place. This is the 30. Let me raise up the camera as we continue. Okay, so this 70, don't just continue like this. Pick it again, like you pick it like this. Pick it, pick it. You create your pretty. Just create it. Okay. Then this ND, make sure you drag it so that everything will look so neat. Right now, we are going to place it on top of this one we already achieved. Don't cover what you already achieved. You place it in this last part. Right now, you place it here. Place it there. Okay. Once you place it there, you will now grab the last one. This is the last one. You grab it to make sure to make sure the gele is very tight. You drag it up. You pull it so that is the O. You drag it. Then you start your pretty. You set it. You do like 3. This one, you just leave it here like this and drag it and leave it there like this. You continue. You extend it. The 3. Okay. You extend. You are just extending the 3 pleats. Because right now we are going back. This one, you tell her to remove your hand. Okay. So you extend. Make sure it's far across the ear. Okay. Don't stop in this angle. Don't stop here. Stop at the back. You will still tell your client to hold this place for you. Now we are going to tie it now at the back. We are going to tie it now at the back. Okay. Right now, we are going to tie it. Before you tie it, just open. Don't tell your client not to remove her hand. Please don't remove your hand. Okay. Right now, this is the 30. You take half of the 30. You take half of the remaining. Bring your neck down. So we are going to tight it now. I'm not going to tight it too much because it's a child. Bring your neck down. Okay. Take half from here. Then you tight. You tight. Is it tight enough? Okay. Okay. Okay, I will lose it. Okay, I will reduce it now. Right now, you just take this and cover the back little bit. Anywhere that is not covered enough, later we are coming there to use pin. Okay, the back, we are coming back later. Right now, okay, right now, we are going to set up the top. There is the beauty. Okay. If you want to do it for new beginner, we have different way we do our plating to do the setting, but this one is easier for new beginner. Just do your folding this way. If you want to tie it on customer head, we have different way, but this one is how I teach all my students. For the beginning, it's very easy like this. You take from back, you fold everything. We are going to fold everything. Fold everything. We are doing the folding. Fold, fold. We are doing the folding. This ski is more easier for a beginner. It's more easier. We have different way, but this one is more easier. Just fold everything. Let everything be on top of each other. Fold until the fabric is finished. We are just folding. You are taking it from back, doing the folding. We have different way we do our folding, but this one is the easiest. It's the easiest way. This one is the easiest and it will look so neat. So we are doing our folding. Fold, fold, fold. We are folding everything. Fold everything. Everything we are folding. Okay. So we want to fold the last one. So make sure this edge be at the back. This one will still be enough for 2. No, for 3. Let's just take it 2. Let's do it 2. Okay, this is the end of the folding. This is the end of the folding. Okay, so this is the end. What we do for this plate not be too flat, you use your 2 hands to raise it like this. Just raise it. Put your finger inside and make sure everything is very neat. So I'm going to set up this side. Sorry. I'm going to set up this side. You put your finger in each line. You put your finger in each line. Down. From the up, down, up, down, up, from up, down, up. Your finger, you dip it inside. Okay, that is what I am just doing right away. Straight. Take it down so that everything will look so neat. Sorry. Everything will look so neat. It's very easy when you do it with this pattern. Very easy. So make sure that you raise it up a little bit. Okay. So that side is ready. So we are going to take up. You take it one after the other like this. As you are taking it, use your hand to protect here. Take it one after the other. Take it one after the other. So you can push it from here, push it a little bit up. Continue taking it. So this back, this SS, just pick it one after the other. Bring your neck down a little bit. Metal tester Jew. Jew. Okay. So this SS, just open this place we already tied before and add it to this place and tie. You can use pin, but if you don't need pin, just leave it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Right now. Okay. You still do some set up little bit with your finger just to make sure everything is on line. It's very easy. You can do it. Very, very easy. Set it. Okay, right now we'll push it back. Bring your head down. Down, bring your head down. No, bring your head down. Yes. Raise your head. Yes. Push it back. This is the final. Yes, Emmanuel. Hey, thank you. Help me to say a big thank you to my boy. Yes, Emmanuel, let's do thumbnail. Thumbnail. Do another style of thumbnail. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.